honorific formal, formality, or we also call it differential style. The da ending and then the ka ending. Statement da, question ka. So let's say I'm going to conjugate ida. This one we learn, right? 입니다. Statement. 입니까. Always start from the da ending, the dictionary form. You're going to use the stem E. Since the E doesn't have 받침, it doesn't have a final consonant, you're adding 비읍 and then 니다. And then question 비읍니까. For instance, to go, 가다. 가 doesn't have the 받침 final consonant, so use the stem and then add 비읍, 갑, and then 니다. 갑니다. That means the question is 갑니까? Pretty easy. But what if it's 먹다? To eat. So 먹, the stem of the verb 먹 already have the final consonant 받침. So what do we do with it? So we just add something after 먹. 먹, and then 습. 니다. You're adding 습니다 or 습니까? Question, 먹, 습니까? And maybe let's try like to be spicy adjective, 맵다. Then same thing, 맵. And then add 습니다, 습니까? 맵습니다. 맵습니까? So this is the reason why when we first learned adjective or action verb or copula is 이다 아니다, you do need to know the da form, dictionary form. Remember? Have to know the da form, dictionary form, have to know the basic form, right? To do the all different conjugation, right? And different formality. If you only know the basic, then can speak in formality, honorific formal. This is the reason why. All right. Next one. We need to add action verb. Okay, so first one, 연습하다. To practice. Basic 연습해. Okay, sentence. I practice this song a lot. 저는 this song, 이 노래를 a lot, 많이. And then past tense of 연습하다, 연습했어요, 연습했어요. 저는 이 노래를 많이 연습했어요. Alright, next one. To sing, 노래하다. Basic, 노래해. My father sings well. 제 아버지는, and then this one, what you can do with the 하다 verb, you can have a noun, 노래, and then 하다 separate, right? So you can do 노래를, because I'm gonna add 잘, which is well, right? 노래를 잘. And then we can use honorific since we're talking about father. So instead of a 해요, we're gonna say 제 아버지 노래를 잘 하세요. 제 아버지는 노래를 잘 하세요. My father sings well. 오케이, 만나다, to meet. Basic, 만나. Where shall we meet? Where should we meet? So, 어디에서? And then you just add 만날, add near, right? 만날까요? 어디에서 만날까요? casual, 어디에서 만날까? Alright, last one. To hang out, to play. 놀다, basic, 놀아. How would you say? Let's hang out tomorrow. Casual ending of let's. Use the stem nor and then just add 자, right? 놀자. 내일 놀자.